I'm sure you all seen this. The Federal Appeals Court upholds a law requiring a sale or ban of TikTok in the United States. Stock Santa here. I think this is 3 years running now that I've been doing this whole Stock Santa thing every December. But surprise, surprise, my real name is not Stock Santa. My real name is Kenneth Suna. I joined TikTok around 6 years ago. Largely because a couple of my friends were saying, hey, I'm ready, I want to learn how to invest. And I'm a self-taught investor, self-taught stock trader. I've been trading stocks for 14 years, investing for over 20. And so my friends were coming to me, hey, I want to learn, hey, I want to learn. One question after another, they were all the same. And I said, gee, if my friends have these questions, other people must as well. So I got a YouTube channel, I made a video. At first it was set to private, and I thought when my friends ask me, I'll send it to them. But then I felt guilty. I was like, wait, there's like good information here. I should set it publicly and let everyone learn. So I was on YouTube, I was on Instagram, and nothing was really going my way. So a friend of mine from the gym said, hey, you need to get on TikTok. Gary Vee says everyone's going to TikTok. And I said, who is Gary Vee? But I joined. And within about a week, I had over 400 followers, which is more followers on TikTok in a week than I had on Instagram and YouTube combined after a year of making content like this, the finance and investing content that I make. I never imagined that I would have 363,000 followers in my life. I joined TikTok because I thought I could help people learn how to invest, because there was really nobody there for me when I first started learning how to invest and trade stocks. So I was losing a lot of money. I was listening to a lot of people at my gym and strangers, and I didn't know what I was doing. And there was no one really there to say, hold on, let me teach you how. So about a year ago, I met with an agent. He said, I can get you brand deals and stuff like that. And so I talked, because, there's no harm in trying to learn. Maybe I could learn a thing or two from this guy. So I said, okay, I'll we can get on a Zoom or whatever. And he said, why did you get on TikTok 6 years ago? What was your reason? I said, to help people. And he was like, yeah, sure, to help people. But what was your real reason? And I was like, to help people. And he was like, right, but what were your goals for monetization? How did you envision monetizing your following, whether it was through like a paid community, a course, one-on-ones? What was your plan? And I said, I didn't have a plan. And he said, well, hold on. You really joined to just help people? And I was like, yeah, I really joined just to help people. And he was like, that's fucking crazy. And now it's potentially going away. Now, look, I'm forever an eternal optimist. I think something will happen. Look, I even asked ChatGPT, what's the likelihood that TikTok is going to either sell or not sell and get banned? And first they said, here are the reasons that they might sell. Number one, avoiding a US ban. The US is a major market for TikTok with millions of users and substantial ad revenue. Not to mention, TikTok Shop, which I hate, but it's still huge. Selling TikTok to a US-based entity would allow the platform to continue operating without restrictions. Number two, political pressure. National security has made it clear that TikTok's Chinese ownership is a critical issue. ByteDance may sell to avoid prolonged legal battle and political battles. Number three, that it was a valuable asset and that by selling it, they could make billions and billions of dollars, which could then help them do other things. And here are the reasons that they might not sell. Number one, loss of control. Selling TikTok relinquishes control over one of their most successful products, global influence, massive data insights. Number two, precedent setting. A forced sale could set a precedent for other countries to demand similar divestitures, complicating ByteDance's international operations. And number three, negotiating power. ByteDance may attempt to negotiate compromises such as increased transparency, local data storage, blah, 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 blah. And at the end it says, if they believe that US is serious about enforcing a ban and they cannot reach a compromise, a sale becomes more probable. However, the company may attempt to delay action by leveraging appeals, negotiations, other solutions. I remember when Donald Trump first said that he was going to ban TikTok during his first presidency. And I was like, this isn't going to happen. It's not going to happen. But in the worst case scenario, hey, go follow me. Actually, go follow me on YouTube. This is my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/Kenneth Suna, or you can just look me up. And, it doesn't show it here, but I have around 13,000 followers just so you get the right account, because there's a lot of scammers on every platform. Here I am on Instagram, 188,000 followers, and this is the username. It's spelled exactly the same way. Again, lots of scammers, so make sure you get this one. I am also on Threads, 16.2 thousand followers, Trade, Invest, Simplify again. And yes, I am also on Blue Sky. Here's my username here. It's Kenneth Suna because they said Trade, Invest, Simplify was too long for the username. And you can see 156 followers because I just joined. Seeing TikTok potentially go bye-bye is very upsetting to me. Not only have I made my career now out of this, this is my full-time job, and yes, I'll continue on Instagram and YouTube and all the others, but TikTok is my largest platform with over 360,000 people who have come to me as a source of knowledge and information when it comes to the stock market, which is something that people need to learn how to do desperately. People need to live below their means. People need to invest, not just for retirement, but for the more immediate future. And people are going to lose that. And I go live 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. And yes, I'll continue going live on Instagram and everywhere else, but this is, again, my largest audience. This is the platform where I can go to reach the most people. And it's going to go away. Maybe. I'm still pretty optimistic that they're going to figure something out. They're going to work out some sort of last-minute deal or whatever. But, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it went away. And that would be hugely disappointing to me and to so many of the other creators on here who do this for their full-time career, for their hobby, because they love it. And it's going to get taken away. And that's bullshit. And it's stupid. And I hate it. And I will leave you with this one last resource. It's my website. I'll show you in a second where you can get it, because I'm afraid that if I say the link that this video will be suppressed. Even TikTok, not perfect. I created this account to teach people and help people. I've never sold a course. I've never sold templates. I've never sold a resource guide. I've made a promise to myself and to you to make everything free forever. This isn't a holiday thing. It's not like, oh, you know, for Christmas, we'll make it free, or, you know, for Hanukkah, we'll make it free. It's always been free, and it will continue to be free. Here is where you can find it. You just go right here and click on the menu right here, and all of this stuff is free. There's no email sign up. There's no Venmo or PayPal. It's all free. All my resources, all my guides, my course. I will still be on social media. I ain't going nowhere. You can find me on all the other platforms, and I will be on all the subsequent platforms that pop up over the next many years or decades. I will leave you with this. Remember, bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered, and smart investors, one last time, always smash that follow. Actually, I don't know why I said one more time, because we're still going to be here until like mid-January. But still, smash the follow. See you later.